Hello everyone to channel Top Insta Style. Meet Nia Orosco, a pioneering plus-size model making significant strides in the fashion industry. Originally from Miami, Florida, Nia's modeling career began with a profound passion for self-expression and fashion. Despite facing numerous challenges and rejections, Nia's resilience and self-confidence have been instrumental to her success, demonstrating that beauty transcends size. With a rapidly growing social media presence, Nia has become a prominent figure in promoting body positivity and self-love. Her Instagram features stunning photos and empowering messages, serving as a source of inspiration. Standing at 5 feet 8 inches, Nia's striking presence and unique style have garnered attention from top brands and designers. She is breaking down barriers and redefining beauty standards with every campaign. Additionally, Nia is a strong advocate for mental health, using her platform to raise awareness and provide support. She emphasizes the importance of mental wellness and self-care. Nia Orosco is more than just a model, she is an inspiration. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance, self-love, and making a difference in the world. Follow Nia Orosco on her incredible journey and join the movement for body positivity and self-empowerment.